오늘 3주차 발표하게 될 6조 임재혁입니다. Contents include Gantt chart, concept review, feedback, and analysis. To remind you of it, we are focusing on the rotary ashtray. Cigarette butts poses a danger to the environment by discarded indiscriminately. Fire can cause a lot of damage. Some people feel unpleasant because of the smell. To prevent this bad situation, we thought of rotary ashtray. It can efficiently accommodate large amount of cigarette butts. An automatic system is installed to prevent unnecessary waste of manpower. Specific specs will be provided. Feedback 1. In using an ashtray, what acts as an hexagonal column, the roller of an ashtray rotates and pours sand into the sand collection box. The first time the butts and sand fall, the sand cannot pass through the sieve, so the slope of the sieve is given enough to allow the butts to accumulate on the side and the sand through the sieve to accumulate at the bottom of the sieve. The slanted side could be the best selection for the structure. Feedback 2. We will make the side transparent. If we use plastic, it will make fire or melt easily. The upper part is made of stainless steel used in existing ashtrays for protection, and the side is made of polycarbonate. Before selecting polycarbonate, we thought ABS plastic was the best material. However, the benzene exists in the molecular structure of styrene. There is a risk of styrene when decomposed. In addition, the weather resistance is not good because of the benzene component. This is the reason why the white plastic made of ABS turns yellow with the passage of time. So we finalized polycarbonate to be the appropriate material for usage. It is used in engineering, strong, and some grades are optically transparent. It also has good heat resistance and can be combined with flame retardant materials without significant material degradation. Polycarbonate plastics are engineering plastics in that they are typically used for more capable robust materials such as impact resistant glass-like surfaces. Feedback 3. When we originally designed the ashtray, we tried to rotate the hexagonal cylinder of the ashtray by using the handle. However, it could put a lot of unnecessary pressure on the machine, so we will use eco-friendly solar energy to rotate the electric motor. The ashtray is separated by rotating 4 times in an hour, periodically using solar energy. Power efficiency is poor if the motor is used continuously. Also, if the electric motor runs before the cigarette butts and sand have accumulated, it is not efficient. Therefore, it is more convenient to move the machine using sunlight than to operate it by manpower. Mechanical analysis. The most important thing is the total volume of the ashtray. Sand and cigarette butts under the ashtray need adequate length to accumulate. Width, depth, height is 400, 600, 700 millimeters. The smoking space accommodates 20 people. It can hold 5,000 cigarette butts for 12 hours. This is possible because we set width, depth, height large enough. We could efficiently accommodate cigarette butts due to practical measurements as a result. In addition, it will be designed to withstand the weight of sand. For 20 cigarettes, width, depth, height are 59, 93, 27 mm. For one charge of sand needs 300 milliliter. In the case of sand, and total volume of sand is about 14.4 liters in the case of 300 milliliter, each 4 times an hour, and a total of 48 times the filling. Hexagonal pillow for ash dump is about 1 liter. Ash dump needs 1.5 liter for space. Next week, we will determine the weight of each part and FBD-based moment calculation. It emphasizes stability to withstand the weight and not to fall. Next, calculating the power required for the ashtray through torque calculation. Third, determining the diameter of the shaft. Finally, mechanical calculation of sliding door using crank will be presented. To sum up the important points in the feedback, the risk of fire, problems with filtering was mentioned. We could solve these problems by stainless steels, polycarbonate, tilted filter, and solar panels. Defining the size is important in mechanical analysis, and our final goal is to keep smoking areas clean. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Any questions are welcomed. Thank you.